Hello Buck Dominoes and Domino community. This is Leslie and I'm submitting my video for the category of Lightning Field and subcategory Mini Dominoes. Let's take a look and see what happens. Okay, here's my Lightning Field, also known as a Sonimod, and if you notice I have some bulk domino cups. For those who watch my channel, hey, if I know a couple people, they want to get dominoes for the grandkids. I'm telling you, Bulk Dominoes is the place to get them. They got tons of merchandise, they got tons of accessories, they got tons of different kind of dominoes. They got pro dominoes, mini dominoes, micro dominoes, kinetic dominoes, kinetic planks. They've got bulk block X dominoes. They've got lighted dominoes. They've got glow-in-the-dark dominoes. You just got to check them out. So anyway, sorry about that, but I have 25 rows of 30, so that makes 750 mini dominoes. I don't know if they count the, like if see the gray, for those that don't know. I'm not sure if they count those, so I'm only counting from the red over. So we're going to topple these. This is going to go fast for those that don't know, and we're going to see how it works. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow! And you guys, from the looks of it, they all toppled. They all toppled. No, I'm not the best at making straight lines, but I'm making sure that I get all of them in here so that way the people at Buck Dominoes, when they inspect the video, of course they have to do the official count. But yes, everything toppled. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I am very happy. So I want to thank everybody for your consideration at Bulk Dominoes. Thank you.